Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply a drawing hand stroke as the outline of your video in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. You don't have to, but I'm just going to do that. Select the cutout section and select auto cutout. Once you're done here, you can select from these options. There's this one. This is a pro feature though, so just keep that in mind. There's these ones that are also free. Then I'm just going to adjust the size here. You can also adjust the spacing as well. And that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!